always lots of activity around SAP's Cloud Application Programming Model, CAP, and we recently enjoyed the first of a new series of live interactive events. The inaugural CAP Customer and Partner Roundtable took place earlier this month and was a great success. This live quarterly roundtable format allows developers from customers and partners to connect and share tips and tricks with each other, as well as speak with CAP product team members directly. The slides from this month's event are available online, so check them out via the new events page on cap.cloud.sap and keep an eye out for the next event.
Do you like free stuff? Of course you do. SAP Business Technology Platform continues to add to its list of free tier service plans for dozens and dozens of services and applications within BTP. The latest free tier plan, SAP Process Automation. So just as a reminder, earlier this year, SAP released SAP Process Automation, which lets you do workflow management as well as robotic process automation. You can drag and drop components like decision components or task components. You can create business rules in your workflows in an Excel-like table. And you can create robotic process automation bots to automate tasks on your desktop. I tried this out and it was really, really cool. I was able to take a chatbot, which could trigger an automation, which would open an application, which would extract information from that application, put it in an Excel, process that information, and do a few more steps. It was really, really cool. Anyway, you can now do all of that and create bots and workflows in your free tier plan for free. And when you're ready, take all of that stuff that you created in the free tier plan and use it within your productive paid service plan. In the description, I will link to a blog which explains all of this and has links to learning materials, learning journeys within the new SAP Learning, as well as a video that explains the BTP's free tier offerings. So enjoy.
The Developer Advocates recently created a new 2 Minutes Of series on our SAP Developers YouTube channel. They're quick and to-the-point videos, each round about 2 minutes long, covering all sorts of different information across different topics. So far we've seen SAP UI5, Cloud Native and ABAP topics, and we're happy to introduce a further topic, API Basics, with the first video in that context on HTTP. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and set the notifications on so you don't miss any new content.